Hello, everyone. Good morning. It is the 15th of December and day one of in person. You are factoring algebraic expressions today. Woo! I am super sorry I can't be there with you in person, but I'm going to do this video so we can go over the warm up together and you know what to expect today. And you can ask me any questions through email if you need. All right, so we've got that warm up. It was a bit longer. Starting out with the distributive property, the first four should look like this. Remember, the distributive property means to take the number on the outside and multiply it by everything inside the parentheses. Notice on this last one that I wrote both negative 1c and negative c for that first term. You can write either. Either is fine, whatever you like, but I will say it's going to be good to move to that just negative c, no 1 there, because that's how it's most commonly written. As mathematicians, we're kind of lazy. We want things as simple as it can be, okay? So that's the first four. The next four are pretty similar, but there's more negatives involved. Remember, it's the outside term by everything multiplied by everything on the inside of the parentheses. And again, I wrote the negative 1c and the negative c. It's really okay if you like the 1, but just again, we like to be more simple. We've got more distributive property at the bottom, but it's a little bit more complicated. Negative 3 times 2x, you're going to get negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 5y, you're going to get positive 15y. So remember, a negative times a negative, you get a positive. And then this last one here, you're multiplying by a fraction, which remember is just dividing by that denominator. So technically multiplying by negative 1/4, you're dividing by negative 4. All right, so negative 16 divided by negative 4, well, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and then 16 divided by 4 is 4. That's why you see 4 written first here. And then that 8x divided by negative 4, well, 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2, and then you have an x. All right, so then you have the factoring problems here. Now, this is the ladder method. This is very important, so take your time. If you had different work than me, if you just took out 14 from the start, that's absolutely fine. If you chose to start with taking out 2 and then taking out 7, that's fine. Or if you did it just like me, that's great. All that's important here is that you are matching my answer. Okay, so your answer should have been 14 and then parentheses 3x plus 5. You will notice that I have my check at the bottom. It's very important to check your work. I know you guys probably aren't crazy about it, but it's important. And then the last one of the warm-up, you're taking out 4. That is the greatest common factor. If you chose to take out 2 and then 2 again, you could have done it that way. But ultimately, your answer should have been 4. And then in parentheses, 4a plus 10b minus 3c. It kind of seems weird. It kind of seems like you're going to take out more, but because you have that 3, no go. All right, so again, I have my check. Hopefully you matched my answers and you're feeling good about this. If not, you want to talk to somebody in your class, maybe talk to a peer, maybe talk to your substitute teacher there. If you're struggling though and you need to talk to me, you can email me. I'm more than happy to email you back and work with you. All right, I will be available all day long. I'll be thinking of you guys. I wish I was there in person. Just to recap, we just did the warm-up. You do have a quiz coming up. So today is Tuesday. Tomorrow, Wednesday, you will get your quiz prep. And then Thursday is your quiz. You will take it in class. You have 2 notes. I know it kind of stinks you have 2 notes and I'm not there and they're ed puzzles. But I will say, I think you will do just fine on this. 6-4, you're going to really want to pay attention. But 6-5 should probably come pretty easy to you. It's more with factoring. All right. There is an option for Kahoot if you guys have time and you want to play Kahoot. If you'd rather just get those 2 homework assignments done, that's fine as well. Again, if you need anything, send me an email. I'm more than happy to help you guys. Miss you, and I hope you have a great day.